Bring it over here so Mommy can see when you open it. There you go.
There you go.
Okay, now you can open it. There you go. Oh, that'll go with your tea set.
A coffee maker.
Wow.
You can have coffee now. Make everybody coffee.
It really looks like a real coffee
I
maker.
was like, what are they doing?
Oh, just like Daddy's.
Fatima, let Mommy see that. That is a real coffee maker. It really looks like one.
It does look like one. I'm like, wait a minute.
Mommy.
Okay, bring it over and I'll help you. Bring it to Daddy. Dad can help you.
Has real water filtering or water filling option, realistic water flow with brewing sound.
Cool.
That is really cool.
I love
It
it.
is like a real coffee maker.
And if you
I
leave
did
the
not-
water in there long enough, it gets brown.
I did not know they made those for little kids. I've never seen one before.
It's really neat. That's for your little baby sister.
It's for BB,
For the new baby.
the little BB.
There, Daddy has
Oh,
it.
Daddy's got your coffee maker going. I cannot believe they make this.
Last time I put it there.
I don't know where it is.
I can twist these, never mind.
Did it go get one?
I think they're twist ones.
Oh.
Hold on, dear. Patience. Patience.
I've never seen one of those. Wow,
It was a
Fatima.
second box, right?
Bring it over here.
Here, bring it back down. Oop.
Wow. Does it take batteries? Does it need...
I bet.
Batteries.
It what?
It requires batteries. I don't remember what kind it said.
That's really cool.
Well, they probably have, if they're AAA's, I've got them right here in the room. I like her. I like her pan set.
I know that I can't. That really does look just like yours.
They look, they look like those.
Exactly.
Is that how you say it, LaCroix?
Like Croy set. I don't know.
Is that with the enamel inside?
Yeah, I mean it. Same color. Really looks just like it.
Will you be happy with that?
Wow. Now, where's your cups?
Oh, we already put them downstairs.
Sorry.
You got that, sweetheart. Like this. You just gotta push it a little. That's what I can get. Yeah, all right.
I'll get you a knife.
Thank you.